For our 5.2 hands-on task, you are going to be creating some tables of equivalent ratios. So you are going to, on slide 2, this is where you're going to be doing yours. So you're going to start and you're going to label your 2 categories. So you can do whatever you want. It just needs to kind of go together. Cats, dogs, footballs, basketballs, like what 2 things are you going to be comparing? So then you are going to get 1 dice from the back. So just 1 regular dice, okay? And you are going to roll the dice. So let's see. So I'll show you how I'm going to do mine. So I am going to compare apples, and oranges. Okay, so I rolled my dice and here I got a 2 and I'm going to roll it again. Oh, we're not getting the same number. You can't have the same number. Okay, and I got a 6. That's all you really need your dice for. Okay, now I am going to generate equivalent ratios and you can choose any numbers you want. And they do not have to go in order. And I'm going to say, let's go and multiply by 2 is 4. But I need to do the same thing here. 2 times 6 is 12. Now I'm going to multiply by 6. So 2 times 6 is, well, I'm putting the pressure on myself. I don't know my multiplication facts apparently. Well, I'm being recorded. Okay, and 6 times 6 is 36. Whoops, 36. Okay, now I'm going to multiply by 8. 2 times 8 is 16. 6 times 8 is 48. So all of these are equivalent ratios, right? I multiplied by the same thing, the same thing, the same thing. Now I'm going to multiply by 10 is 20. And by 10 is 60. Now I'm going to, same numbers, so I'm going to do 2 and 6 here. And I'm going to pick new numbers to multiply by. So I'm going to say, I'm right, I didn't use 3 over here. So I'm going to put a 3 over here. So 2 times 3 is 6. And 6 times 3 is 18. And then I'm going to do 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 6 times 5 is 30. Let's see, I don't think I multiplied by 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. And remember, they don't have to go in order. And 4 times 6 is 24. And then I'll do 7. 2 times 7 is 14. And 7 times 6 is 42. And then I've got to keep my original one, and I'm just going to erase 1 on each row. And I'm going to give this to a neighbor, a partner that is on at least this far, at least a 5.2, and see if they can fill these out. Okay, so all the instructions are right here. So roll your dice, see what your numbers are, choose a multiple, multiply, 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 repeat with new numbers, erase 1 on each one, see if a neighbor can see, oh, how did I get from 6 to 18? Well, that was times 3, so 2 times 3 would be 6. How did I get from 2 to 10? Well, that was 5, so 2 times 5 is 30. So go ahead and try your own. When you're done, don't forget to share it back to me in Canvas.